Hello children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today I'll solve one revision assignment which is based on Indian numeral system. Hope you people have learnt Indian numeral system already, right? Now let us solve one assignment based on Indian numeral system. Our first question is, the largest 9-digit number is. How will you write any largest number? Children, while writing a largest number, what is a largest digit? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. If you write the digits means what is the largest digit? It is 9. So, let us solve this problem using the digit 9. We want the largest 9-digit number, right? 9-digit number means you have to write 9 in all the places of 9 digits, right? If you observe the options here, it is 9,99,999. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? So, let us move to second option. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, this is also not 9-digit number. Third option says there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits are there in total? 9 digits. We want the largest 9-digit number, right? If you observe here, how to read this 9-digit number? 99 crores, 99 lakhs, 99,999. It is of 9 digits and it is the largest 9-digit number. So, children, you have to write option C here. Okay? Our next question is the number name of, what is the number here? 567308. Will you read like this? No. You have to memorize, you have to recollect Indian place value chart. What it says? You have to put commas in between the numbers after ones, tens, hundreds, 1 comma, and after that thousands, 10,000s, 1 comma, and then it is lakhs place. Now, can you read this number? 5,67,308. Now, if you observe our options here, there are 4 options. In that, first option says 5,67,308. Is it our required number? Yes. Our number is 5,67,308. So, what is the answer for this question? Option A. Okay, children. Let us move to our third question. The place value of the colored digit according to Indian place value chart in this number. Instead of coloring, let us say underlined digit here. Okay. What is the underlined digit here? It is 3. Now, let us read this number at first. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits are there? 8 digits. Okay. Now, how to read this number? After ones, tens, hundreds, let us keep a comma, and after thousands, 10,000s, let us put one more comma. And after this, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and after that 7 crores, right? Now, let us read this number, 7 crore 35 lakh 64,891. We need the place value of 3 here. What is the place value of 3? If you observe, 3 is in lakhs place or 10 lakhs place. Where is the digit 3? Children, if you observe, it is in 10 lakhs place. So what is the place value of 3? 3 into 10 lakhs, that is 30 lakhs. What is the correct answer here? D. Option D. Okay. Now let's move to the fourth question. The numeral of 77 lakh 7077. Let's read one more time the question. The numeral of 77 lakh 7077. All 7s are there. Children, be careful while writing the answer. 77 lakh 7077. How will you write this? 77 lakh. Where is 77 lakh? If you observe the options, is there anywhere lakh? Yes, there is lakhs place in A, option A, and in option B, and in option D. Again, don't get confused. After that, what is the next word? 7000. So where is 7000 in the options? It is in option A and option C. Okay, children? So it is 77 lakh 7000. After that, what is our next words? 77. Where is 77 here in these two options? It is in option A, 77. So our required number is 77 lakh 7077. Okay, children? What is the correct answer for this? A. Option A. Okay. Now let's solve the fifth question. Sohan purchased a house. Okay. What he purchased? He purchased a beautiful house. The cost of a house is, how will you read this? Cost? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. Okay. So what is the cost of the house? 2 crore 58 lakhs 75,000. What is the cost of the house? 2 crore 58 lakh 75,000. So what do we require in this question? The word form of the house cost in Indian place value system is. What is the cost of the house? 2 crore 58 lakh 75,000. Now let's see our options where this figure is. 2 crore 58 lakh 57,000. No, we want 75,000. Where it is? If you observe the second option, it says 2 crore 58 lakh 75,000. Yes, this is the correct option. So our answer is B. Okay, children? Let's move to the next question. Children, read the question carefully here. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. What is the incorrect statement here? Be careful, children, while reading the statement. Here, they are not asking about correct statement. They are asking about incorrect statement. Okay? What is the incorrect statement? In these 4 options. Let's read the 4 options here. First option says, Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, lakhs period has 2 places. What is the second option? In Indian place value chart, every period consists 2 places. Okay? In third option, it is given that in Indian place value chart, one's period has 3 places. What is our fourth option? 6,56,200 is written in figures as 6,56,200. So now let's observe which one is the incorrect in all these things. In all these options, what is the incorrect statement? If you observe the fourth option, it says that 6,56,200. It was written correctly. It is 6,56,200. So this option is correct. Okay? In Indian place value chart, one's period has 3 places. What are those 3 places, children? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? So in Indian place value chart, One's period has 3 places.